Hello, Parnassians. It's me again, Magister Beck. And for this week's Minute to Win It, I want to say it's week 22, so it's edition 22. And it's going to be something a little active. So it's going to really get your heart rate up, and we'll see how many of these you guys can do. Now, what I want you guys to do is find a chair or even maybe a second step of the steps, if you have steps in your house, like stairs. But find a chair or something that you can sit on. So when you sit on it, you have 90 degrees. So if your chair is too tall and you're not sitting at 90 degrees, try to find a lower box or step or smaller, shorter chair that you can sit on so you get that 90 degrees when you're sitting. Because what I want you to do is do squats for a minute. So get that kitchen timer, stopwatch, or whatever you have, and set it for 60 seconds, 1 minute. And what I want you to do is feet are both shoulder width apart, right in front of the chair. And I want you to tap your bottom to the chair and then jump up and see how many you can do in 60 seconds. So it look like this. You jump, so squat, jump, squat, jump, squat, jump, and see how many you can do in 60 seconds. Now, if you really want to challenge yourself, this might be for the older scholars, but everyone can give it a whirl if you want. It's these are basically box squats because you just basically tap your bottom to a box or chair and then jump up. So this is a pistol squat, which is one leg. So they only do this if you want to. You can do it for fun, but these are going to be a lot more challenging and a lot more coordination. But you use one leg and you squat down to tap your bottom and then jump up. Reset yourself, squat down and jump up. So you do as many as you can in 60 seconds on your right leg, and then do the same for the left leg. So you squat down, jump up. Reset, squat down, jump up. So this is going to be a lot more difficult because each time you got to try to reset and balance yourself. Where if you're doing a normal, regular squat with 2 feet, you just get shoulder width apart. And it's a lot easier just to go and see how many you can get in 60 seconds. So I hope all that makes sense, guys. And if you want to turn in your results to Magister Cole or myself, Magister Beck, that'd be fantastic. Otherwise, I hope you guys have a fantastic short week, and we'll be seeing you guys around the block soon. Talk to you guys later.